are pleased to show you the 2015 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, traction control, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.